when they're comfortable. Rebecca owns a self-serve dog wash.
That's nice to know about Rebecca. Let's see what Tom has to say.
National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin.
Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding me. Hate it when this happens.
At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Freeport and moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and bulk buildings. Locations impacted include Freeport, German Valley, Cedarville, Rivet, Dakota, Rocket City, Davis, Lake Somerset, Oakdale Nature Preserve, Alberta Southport, Damascus, Scioto Mills, Red Oak, Rivet Corners, MC Connell, Buena Vista, Wenatchee, Dakota Dorning Airport, Orangeville, and Echo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of